Hi, my name is Renisha Adams, and I will be presenting today my economic development, creativity, and innovation through micro business literacy activity night project. So here we go. So the theme I came up with for the literacy night was creativity and innovation through micro business. So what we have fortunately implemented into our curriculum is what we call micro society. My school, Monroe Demonstration Academy, and Thorough Demonstration Academy are the only two schools in Tulsa, Oklahoma that operate with this program. Basically, we teach kids how to establish small business ventures. It's typically like the last hour of the day, but they establish the small business ventures, anywhere from tax collection, the IRS, the post office, even our police departments. They establish these multiple ventures just in efforts to teach, life skills, responsibilities, different types of literacy, from writing to financial and money literacy as well. Basically, that curriculum is basically ingrained into our students towards the end of the day. So basically, they're taught through real world experience how to operate businesses. Students also learn the power of utilizing their creativity and innovative skills and efforts to build their micro economy. Moving on. So great reads to help spark creativity. I had 3 of them. We have What Do You Do with an Idea? We have The Paper Boy. And we also have Raising an Entrepreneur, 10 Rules for Nurturing, nurturing risk takers, problem solving, and change makers. My favorite of these would be What Do You Do with an Idea? Loved it. So what do you do with an idea? It's a great story for students, I would say, honestly, ages 2nd through 5th grade, just because of the picture books and the limited words, the limited content. However, this book, it promotes the use of ideas and imagination in efforts to spark creativity. So that's really a great book to kind of get that that creative energy flowing, give them a sense of how to use their ideas for their good. The Paperboy by Dave Pilkey. The Paperboy is a great story for teaching students the concept of responsibility. In this story, basically, the young boy describes his day-to-day activities for delivering newspapers independently. So this teaches responsibility at a young age. Students are able to see, students or the reader is basically able to see the process of even how a child could model responsibility at a young age. So this is a really great book too to incorporate. And then last but not least, Raising an Entrepreneur, 10 Rules for Nurturing. This book is great for teaching kids the power and benefits of entrepreneurship. The reader learns the psychology and efforts needed to mold kids with creative habits. So moving on to our actual literacy night. Literacy night will be held on October 12th at Monroe Demonstration Academy from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Students will learn financial literacy and writing skills through participating in a banking simulation for students. So here I have the first flyer. Join us at Monroe Demonstration Academy, Economic Development, because that's the basis or the foundation that this entire project is built on. So it's economic development, of course, with the theme creativity and innovation through micro business, October 12th. And you see all the details with the address and the phone number attached. Also, you see the bookmark to your right, Economic Development, Building an Ideal Society. And then lastly, how does this activity promote the library? To me, this project, it basically promotes the efforts of collaboration and research for students. They're able to work as a team in business to assist other students with check writing. Students can come into the library to search for information related to money and check writing. Once again, my project will teach students how to think creatively and responsibly. Students are able to apply tasks related to establishing or working for business. This project helps students to gain an understanding of building a successful economy through leadership, entrepreneurship, and creativity. Lastly, students will be encouraged to read and research information pertaining to economics and money literacy in efforts to be successful. So this is how this all ties into, this activity ties into the library. They're definitely going to need those skills required, of course, to collaborate and work together, but also it's going to require them to go out and do research, because prior to them beginning business, they create business plans. So in efforts to do that, or in order to do that, they have to have a general idea and an understanding of their competition and how whatever industry they chose, how they operate. So this would definitely call for some time in the library for research. All right, and that is the end of my presentation. Thank you.